Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this action, I will present material on the theoretical aspect of corporate governance. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of corporate governance and several theories that form the basic of corporate governance. Okay, let's get straight to the first discussion. Okay, the next slide, learning objective. This slide explains the purpose of the presentation. First, we are explaining to understand what is meant by corporate governance. Second, we can find out how will the company is managed through the rules of management and the board of directors. Third, we will also study several theories that explain the relationship between company owner, manager, and stakeholder. Slide 2. What is corporate governance? Corporate governance is the framework of system access to manager of company effectively. Through corporate governance, companies can answer the discussion taken by management or is accordance with the interests of stakeholders and also support the company's sustainability growth. In the other words, corporate governance helps companies to operate transparency, reliability, and in the director manager. The next slide, company management and the board of directors. In the corporate governance, there is an important rules for company management and the board of directors. Management is responsibility from running the company's day-to-day operations. Meanwhile, the board of directors has the rules to survive, provide direction, and the assess that management performs is in accordance with the company's objective. With supervision from the board of directors, the company can be managed in a more control and direct manager. Okay, select agency theory. The next is agency theory. This theory explains the relationship between principal and the agent. The principal is the owner of the company of shareholder, while the agent is the manager who runs the company. In the relationship, sometimes difference of interest arise. For explain, manager precedes personal interest over the interest of the company owner. Therefore, the monitoring mechanism is needed so that the discussion takes in line with the company's objective. The next slide is conflict of interest. Agents theory also explains the extent of the conflict of interest. This conflict usually occurs due to information asymmetry, namely when manager have more information than the company owner. This can cause manager to make decisions that do not always benefit the company owners. That for corporate governance in the need to reduce the risk and increase accountability. So let's stewardship theory. In the context of agent theory, stewardship theory has the more positive view of the manager. In the theory, manager are considered as responsibility manager of company records. This means that manager will try to work in the interest of the company and the shareholder so that the organization goals can be achieved properly. This theory explains competition between owner and the manager and the achieving company goals. Okay, the next theory is transaction cost economy. This theory view the company as a structure that regulates variation, working relationship, and contact between the parties involved in the company. The goal to reduce transaction contacts, interest efficient, and also more effective competition within the company. The last slide, stakeholder theory. Stakeholder theory explains these companies are not only responsibility to shareholder, but also to various other interested parties. Explains customer and suppliers. Happy employees will increase company productive and satisfied customer will increase loyalty, and a good relationship with supply will have smooth company operational. Therefore, company must pay attention to the interests of the stakeholder. Okay, and then in the closing, corporate government is an important system that helps company to be managed will as responsibility through various theories such as agency theory, step theory, stakeholder theory, and the transaction cost economy. We can understand how the relationship between company owner, manager, and stakeholder can run more effectively. By implementing good corporate government, companies can achieve their organization goals, increase stakeholder trust, and maintain the company's sustainability in the future. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for attention, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.